How to create a Monday.com account 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Monday.com and how you're going to be able to create an account for yourself. Now, if you want to create an account for Monday.com for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. It requires no credit card or any of those things. Now, to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to the link that I provide you, and right here, you're going to add in your email. Now, once you do that, simply click on continue. And once we click on continue, as you can see, it loads you here where you're going to go ahead and add in your full name. Once you do that, you're going to set up a strong password for yourself, choose an account name, and once all of that is done, click on continue. Once you do that, here it says, hey there, what brings you here today? So I'm going to go with personal. Then you're going to choose what you would like to manage first. So let's say I want to go with design and creative and click on continue. Now from here, you're going to choose what you would like to focus on. I'm going to go with project management. And here it says one last question. How did you hear about us? So you can go ahead with any of the things you heard about them and simply click on continue. Now, once you have done that and clicked on continue, what's going to happen from there is Monday.com is going to be loading you in to the main section where it's going to ask you if you want to share it along with anyone. But if you don't, simply click on remind me later, add in your first project. Like, let's say I'm just going to call it task one. And once we do that, click on next, choose the relevant columns for your board. Once you've done that, simply click on next, choose the view layout. So let's say I want to go with the Kanban. Let's click on next again, click on get started, and that is basically how easy it is to create your Monday.com account. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Do make sure to check the link down in the description below, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.